Hello guys, today I received this retro keyboard with knob and display, and I'm going to show you how stylish it is and how you can get it too. I love the colors. I love the way it sounds. Of course, it also includes the tools to replace some keys and the cable in case you want to use cable to connect to your computer. And this is, of course, the coolest feature, that it has light included, so this is something that you're gonna enjoy. If you like your setup and the setup of your desk to look super aesthetic or super cool, this is something that you will definitely gonna enjoy. You can change in the knob, you can control and change how the color looks. If you want it to blink, to be all colorful, to be one color, it's super cool. I really liked it. Truth be told, I connected to my monitor and I really liked it. I like the way it sounds, I like the way it looks in my desk, and I'm definitely gonna keep using it.